everybody, welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make double chip muffins. So this is my mom, so she's going to help me in the background. So I'm going to turn my phone around. We're going to use milk, flour, cocoa powder, sugar, chocolate biscuits, vanilla essence and baking powder. Let's get into it. So we're going to do 1 cup.
Yeah.
1 cup. Okay, so we're doing 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. So 1 cup. A little bit more. Yep.
Okay. Right.
About there?
Yeah, 1 cup.
Yeah.
Show me.
Oh no, I think it's.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now you need 1/2 cup of oil.
Okay. I'm going to use sunflower oil. Okay.
Now fill it up a bit more, a little bit more.
Like that?
Okay, yeah. Okay. Teaspoon of vanilla essence.
Teaspoon, teaspoon. Ooh. Whoops. Ooh. Whoops.
Doesn't matter, put it in, okay. And your 2 eggs.
Oh no. Eggs gonna be mushy for me.
Yeah, they're in the bowl.
Huh?
They're in the bowl.
Whoops.
Oh, quick, put it in there.
Oh.
Make sure you don't get that.
Ah. Whoops. What are these?
No, I think we're down the side. Okay, now get your whiz and just be careful.
Oh, is there a shell in here?
Well, get it out if you can. You might forget the teaspoon.
I don't know where it is.
Oh well, just mix it up first and then we might be able to find it.
Oh. 1 cup of
1 3/4.
1 3/4 of flour, isn't it?
Yes.
Yep. I hope this is not going to be this. Oops. Oh, I didn't make a mess this time.
Yeah, we've got a 1/4 to go yet.
Yeah, I know. In a 1/4. There you go. Oh, I made a mess. Alright. There's a
1/4 cup of cocoa.
Okay, hold up. Quarter a cup of cocoa.
Okay, yep. Tablespoon, a teaspoon of Edmund's baking powder.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. No, oh. Is it 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon?
I don't know.
Well, you've wrote down a tablespoon.
Oh well. Tablespoon?
Yeah, that's what you've written down.
Oh well. Well, that's what it said that.
No, the big one. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, sift that all together.
Sift it.
Just,
Sift it.
just be
I made a
careful.
mess.
Just be careful.
Whoops.
Oops, oh, be careful.
I'm making a mess.
Okay, now add it. Add half a teaspoon of salt.
Okay. Salt. Half what?
No, get your orange measuring.
Big one again?
No.
That
No,
one?
that's a... Yes. Half a teaspoon of salt.
Half teaspoon.
Half a cup of sugar. Now put it in.
No.
Yeah, not like
last night.
yeah.
Oh.
See.
Oops. I made a mess.
And half a cup of chocolate chips.
The same.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Oh. There you go. Same one.
Yes, half a cup. Put it. Yes. Okay. Now mix that all together.
Oh, hello, Joey. There you go.
It's all mixed together.
Yep. There you go.
Okay, now mix. Oh, hang on.
So I'm going to make a well in the middle way.
Yep.
So I'm going to mix the wet ingredients. Oh. In the middle.
Oh, hang on, Mike. Yeah.
Put all of it in.
Just here and just mix it well.
I'm gonna mix. Gonna mix.
Yeah, sort of fold it. Yeah.
Oh, here we go. It's just gone out.
Yeah.
I'm folding, mummy.
Mmm.
What? Bring my guns out. Okay.
Mmm. Yeah, that's right. You're folding it. Good girl.
We got spray, don't we? In the bottoms?
Yeah, just the bottoms because we've got non-stick, so not too much. Just there. Yeah. Okay, I don't.
What? So I'm gonna put them in the muffin tray. Oh, look at that. Muffin.
Oh. Oh, Joey wants to go out.
The oven, what's the degrees, Mum?
Oh, maybe 180 because we're in gas, so.
Yeah. I'll just put 180. I think that turns on. Alright.
Are you pushing it in?
Yes. I'm going to put the muffins in. Look at that, look at that, look at that. bowing off. I've got my stick. Got to open the oven. Oh, got to turn the light on. Oops, drop my stick. Pick my stick up. Oh. Oh, it's still got put mince in top. Open this. Turn the bell off. Open this.
Watch out, get my little red one out first.
Okay. Mum's all red. Put it on here. Looks yummy. Oh. Ah! Flip! Ah, that's hot! Noise!
Right. On to the ending.
Yeah. Thank you for watching my video how to make double chip muffins. Subscribe, click the notification video for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.